Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor at Sudhakar Rao Naik Institute of Pharmacy, Pusat. Today we will learn about the volatile oil containing drugs. From this category, we will study three drugs. First one is mentha, second one coriander, and third one is phenyl. So first of all, we will study regarding mentha. Mentha, which is the drug obtained, the volatile oil is obtained from the leaf of this plant, that is Mentha piperata. In this case, the leaf and the flowering tops, they are subjected for the steam distillation to obtain a mentha oil. This mentha oil, it is used for therapeutic purpose in pharmaceutical industries, also in food industries and cosmetic industries. Synonym is Oleum mentha piperata, colpermine, mentha oil, peppermint oil. Biological source: the oil is obtained by steam distillation of the fresh flowering tops of the plant Mentha piperata belonging to family Labiaceae. So the biological source is, it is oil which is obtained by steam distillation of the fresh flowering tops of the plant Mentha piperata belonging to family Labiaceae. Contains not less than 51% of the total L-menthol. If the amount of the menthol present in case of the mentha oil, if it is less than the 51%, then the oil is of the substandard quality, or it is adulterated or substituted oil. Description of the oil: color is colorless to yellow, odor is characteristic and pleasant, taste is pungent, followed by cooling sensation due to the presence of the menthol. The taste is followed by cooling sensation. Solubility as usual, soluble in 70% alcohol, ether and chloroform, whereas insoluble in water. It is a clear and transparent liquid. Peppermint oil and menthol are being exported from India since last 1 decade. So both oil as well as the menthol, which is separated from the peppermint oil, it is exported from India. Chemical test for the identification of the peppermint oil: for this, few drops of the peppermint oil is taken. To it added 5 ml of nitric acid solution. The nitric acid solution was prepared by adding 1 ml of the nitric acid to 300 ml of the glacial acetic acid. Heat on water bath. Within 5 minutes, liquid develops blue color. On further heating, deepens and shows copper color fluorescence. After some time, it becomes golden yellow, by which you can identify the peppermint oil. Chemical constituents which are present in case of the mentha oil: peppermint oil contains chiefly L-menthol. It contains chiefly L-menthol. It is near about 70%. The other constituents which are present, they are the menthone, menthofuron, jasmone, methyl isovalerate and methyl acetate are the chemical constituents which are present. So the other constituents which are present in case of the mentha or in case of the peppermint oil, they are the menthone, menthofuron, jasmone, methyl isovalerate and methyl acetate. So the chief constituent is the L-menthol. Uses: it is used as an carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent and mild antiseptic. It is used as an carminative for expelling the gases from the stomach. It will stimulate the central nervous system. It is used as an flavoring agent in case of the food industries, in case of the pharma industries, in case of the cosmetic industries, and also it is used as an mild antiseptics. It is used in the preparation of toothpaste, tooth powder, shaving cream and different pharmaceutical dosage form. It is also used in the preparation of chewing gums, candies, jellies, perfumes and essence, because it will give a cooling sensation So it is preferred, and also there is a flavor of the mentha due to which it is preferred in case of the food industries, in case of the pharma industries, as well as in case of the cosmetic industries. Both mentha oil and menthol have a calcium channel blocking activity, causing a spasmolytic and smooth muscle relaxant effect, and hence useful in irritable bowel syndrome. So it is used for the treatment of the irritable bowel syndrome because of its calcium channel blocking activity. It causes the relaxation of the smooth muscle. Shows better pharmacokinetic profile when given by entry coated capsule for the release in large intestine. As the drug, it is used for the treatment of the irritable bowel syndrome, and the irritable bowel syndrome is the disease with the colon. So the for better pharmacokinetic profile, it is given in the entry coated capsule so that it will release in the colon or in case of the large intestine. Muscle relaxant activity is employed to reduce the spasm during endoscopy of colon. For this purpose, emulsified oil is injected through biopsy channel of the endoscope during the endoscopy or during the colonoscopy. Mentha oil shows a digestant activity by stimulating bile flow, also supported by flavonoid pigments of leaf. So the mentha oil shows the digestant activity by stimulating the bile flow, also supported by flavonoid pigments of leaf. Azulene from the leaf is believed to be anti-inflammatory and anti-ulcer activity. One of the active chemical constant, which is the azulene, which is which is present in case of the mentha oil, it is believed to be anti-inflammatory and anti-ulcer activity. For nasal decongestant effect, menthol is considered as an US FDA as generally regarded as a safe drug. So due to this reason, the peppermint oil or the mentha oil, it is used in case of the balms, in case of the cough syrup, it is used widely. Then mentha oil is used for inhalation in steam, topical product, and lozenges for its antitussive effects. So it is used for the preparation of the lozenges. It is used in the cough syrups for its antitussive effects, and also during cough and cold, the steam from the menthol, it is inhaled. Substitutes and adulterants which are used in case of the mentha. Several species of mentha are known to contain oil. Many a time these oils are demantholized and used as an adulterant to the drug. So the menthol from the mentha oil is removed, and again it is used for the adulteration or for the substitution purpose. Other species of mentha such as mentha longifolia, mentha roundifolia, and mentha spicata, which is also called as the spearmint, also yield volatile oil for flavoring purpose. Storage: peppermint oil should be stored in well-filled and airtight container, protected from the light and in cool place. So it should be placed in a well closed container, well filled container. Container should be tightly closed and kept in cool and dry place. Peppermint oil darkens and becomes viscous on storage for the long period of time. If cooled, separation of the menthol crystals occur. If the peppermint oil, it is cooled, as it contains more than 50% of the menthol, so after cooling, the separation of the menthol will take place. So this is all about the mentha. The synonym is Oleum mentha piperata, coppermine, mentha oil, or peppermint oil. Biological source: mentha oil or peppermint oil is obtained by steam distillation of the fresh flowering tops of the plant Mentha piperata belonging to family Labiatae. The chief chemical constituent which is present in case of the menthol, that is In case of the mentha, that is the L-menthol near about 70%. Along with the menthol, it also contain the menthone, menthofuron, jasmone, methyl isovalerate and methyl acetate. Used as an carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent, mild antiseptic. It is used for the treatment of the irritable bowel syndrome, as well as it is used widely in case of the cough syrup, in balms which are used for the cold and cough, used in case of the confectionery, in case of the food industries, as well as in the cosmetic industries. So this is all about the mentha. Next drug from the category of the volatile oil, that is the coriander. This coriander, both green as well as the dried fruits of this coriander, they are used, which contain the volatile oil. The green coriander, it is used as a good source of vitamin A. So next drug, that is the coriander. Synonym for the coriander: coriander fruits, biological source. These are fully dried fruits of the plant Coriandrum sativum belonging to family Umbelliferae. So these are the fully dried ripe fruits of the plant Coriandrum sativum belonging to family Umbelliferae. The fruit should contain not less than 0.3% of the volatile oil. The amount of the volatile oil should not be less than 0.3%. If the drug is of the substandard quality, or if it is adulterated or substituted, then this amount will decrease. Geographical source: European countries, principally in Russia, Hungary and Holland, also cultivated in India, Egypt and Morocco. In India, in Andhra Pradesh, Guntur and Anandpur district, in Maharashtra, Jalgaon and Satara district, in West Bengal, Haurav and 24 Paragana district, in UP, Rajasthan, and that is, it is cultivated all over the India. Morphological characteristic of the coriander fruit: color is to brown, yellowish brown to brown color. Odor is aromatic, that is the coriander oil, because of it contains the volatile oil, that is coriandrol, due to which the odor is aromatic. Taste is spicy and characteristic. Size: the fruits are 2 to 4 millimeter in diameter and 4 to 30 millimeter in length. The fruits, they are subglobular cremocarpus. They are the subglobular, they are the cremocarpus. That is, when we press these fruits with our finger, it gets detached into the two different parts. They are called, each part it is called as the mericarp. 10 primary ridges and 8 secondary ridges, they are present on the surface. On the surface, two types of the ridges they are present. First one is the primary ridges, another one is the secondary ridges. The primary ridges, they are the wavy. Secondary ridges, they are the straight. The primary ridges, they are 10 in number. Secondary ridges, they are the 8 in number. The primary ridges, they are wavy and inconspicuous, that is, they are wavy and they are in mid. They are not starting from the top and ending at the bottom, but they are in the mid. Then secondary ridges, they are the straight. It is further described as an endospermic and the coleospermic fruit. It is an endospermic and coleospermic type of the fruits. The weight of the 100 fruits, it is approximately 1 gram. It is light in weight. 100 fruits approximately weight 1 gram. So this fruit, at the top there is a stylopod is present. This is the stylopod which is present, that is the calyx, the remaining of the calyx is present. Then the shape is glabrous. Then here you can see the margins are present on the surface. So these are the wavy margin and this is the straight margin. So this is the straight margin, this is the wavy margin. So the primary ridges, they are wavy and they are 10 in number, and secondary ridges, they are straight. They are straight and they are 8 in number. At the top stylopod is present and at the bottom the pedicle is present. Pedicle may be present or sometimes pedicle may be absent. So in this way, this is the side view of the coriander fruits, and this is the top view of the coriander fruits. The fruits, they are the entire cremocarp. They are the entire cremocarp. That is, when we press these fruits with the finger, it get separated into two different halls. Chemical constituent, it contains the volatile oil 0.3 to 1%. It contains fixed oil 13% and proteins 20%. The chemical constituents which are present in the volatile oil, they are 90% of D-linalool. It contains 90% of D-linalool, that is called as the coriandrol, and the coriandryl acetate, and small quantities of L-borneol, geraniol, and pinene. So volatile oil contains 90% of D-linalool, which is called as the coriandrol, and the coriandryl acetate, and small quantities of L-borneol, geraniol, and pinene. Coriander green leaves are rich in vitamin A content. That is, in our side, both the coriander fruits as well as the green coriander, it is also used. This green coriander is a good source of the vitamin A. Both are used, that is coriander fruits as well as the green leaves of coriander, they are used as an spices. Uses: aromatic, carminative, stimulant, and flavoring agent. Due to the presence of volatile oil, they are the aromatic, they are carminative, they are stimulant and flavoring agent. Coriander oil is used along with the purgatives to prevent the gripping. So to prevent the gripping, it is given along with the purgatives such as the senna. It is one of the ingredient of the compound spirit of orange and cascara elixir. So it is one of the ingredient of the compound spirit of orange and cascara elixir contain the coriander. Storage: fruit thoroughly dried and stored in a well closed containers, as they are highly prone to insects. So the growth of insect takes place fastly, so the fruit should be completely dried and then it should be stored in a well closed container. During ordinary storage of the crude drug, the volatile oil composition alters considerably. If the drug is not stored properly, then the amount of the volatile oil decreases. Substitution: Bombay coriander fruits, they are used for the substitution, contains less volatile oil and are ellipsoidal in shape. It is a ellipsoidal in shape, amount of the volatile oil is less. So this is all about the coriander. Synonym is coriander fruits. Biological source: fully dried ripe fruits of plant Coriandrum sativum belonging to family Umbelliferae. Chemical constituents: it contains the volatile oil, and the chief constituents which are present in the volatile oil, they are the D-linalool, which is 90%, which is also called as the coriandrol, then coriandryl acetate, L-borneol, geraniol, and pinene are the other constituents which are present in the volatile oil. Uses: it is used as an aromatic, carminative, stimulant, and flavoring agent. Next drug, it is the drug from the same category of the coriander, that is fennel. That is the fennel fruit. So the synonym is fennel fruit, Fructus funiculum. Synonym is the fennel fruit, Fructus funiculum. Biological source: fennel consists of the dried ripe fruits of the plant known as Funiculum vulgare. It is the dried ripe fruits of the plant known as Funiculum vulgare belonging to family Umbelliferae. The family of both coriander and the fennel, it is same, that is the Umbelliferae. It should contain not less than 1.4% of volatile oil. It should contain not less than 1.4% of the volatile oil. If the amount of the volatile oil is less, then we can say that it is a adulterated, substituted, or it is a substandard quality fennel. Geographical source: largely cultivated in Romania, Russia, Germany, France, India, and Japan. In India, it is cultivated in the states such as the Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. So the funnel, it consists of the dried ripe fruits of the plants Funiculum vulgare belonging to family Umbelliferae. Morphological characteristic, color is green. All of you have seen the funnel. We use them as an mouth freshener. So the color is green to yellowish brown. Odor is sweet and aromatic as it contains the sweet principle. So the odor is sweet and aromatic. Taste is strongly aromatic. Size, it is 5 to 10 mm in length and 2 to 4 mm in width. Shape, straight or slightly curved. It is straight or slightly curved. It is a five-sided fruits in the form of the cremocarp like a coriander. The funnel fruits, they are also cremocarp, and when we press them with the finger, it gets separated into two equal parts. Each part is called as the mericarp, with pedicle and rarely found in the form of the mericarp. The pedicles and the in case of the mericarp, after the separation of the cremocarp, it gets separated into the mericarp, and in this mericarp, the pedicle is absent. Fruits are glabrous with straight prominent yellow colored 5 primary ridges and a bifid stylopod at the top. So the fruits, they are the glabrous with straight prominent ridges, they are present. In case of the coriander, we have seen that there are two types of the ridges, that is primary and secondary ridges. Primary ridges, they are the wavy, secondary ridges, they are the straight. But in case of the funnel fruits, there are only one types of the ridges, they are the primary ridges and they are straight. It is an orthospermous fruit. The funnel fruit, it is a orthospermous. So in this picture you can see that at the top the stylopod is present. Then these are the ridges which are present on the surface, which are called as the primary ridges. These primary ridges, they are 5 in number. At the bottom you can see a pedicle is present. The fruit is entire cremocarp, and when we press this cremocarp, it get divided into the mericarp. So this is the apex, that is the stylopod is present at the top. Chemical constituents, funnel contains of funnel consists of 3 to 7% of volatile oil, about 20% each of the protein and fixed oil. So the amount of the volatile oil which is present in case of the funnel, that is 3 to 7% of volatile oil, 20% of the protein and fixed oil. The chief chemical constituents which is present in the volatile oil, they are the ketone phenchone about 20% and a phenolic ether anethole about 50%. So the chief chemical constituent which are present in case of the volatile oil, that is the phenchone and anethole. The other constituents are philandrine, limonene, methyl chavicol, anisic aldehyde are the other chemical constituents which are present in the volatile oil of the funnel. Phenchone is a colorless pungent liquid with aromatic odor. The phenchone, which is the one of the chemical constituent which is present in case of the volatile oil, it is a colorless pungent liquid with aromatic odor, whereas the anethole is sweet in odor and taste. So in case of the bitter funnel, both the phenchone and anethole is present, whereas in case of the sweet funnel, only the anethole is present, which is sweet in odor and taste. Uses, it is used as an carminative, aromatic, stimulant and expectorant. So it is used as an carminative pharmaceutically, then it is used aromatic, as an flavoring agent, as an stimulant, as an expectorant. Pharmaceutically, it is used as an flavoring agent. Adulterants, funnel is commonly adulterated with the exhausted funnel fruits, which can be distinguished by the following tests. Generally, what happens by means of the hydrodistillation or by means of the solvent extraction method, the extraction of the volatile oil which is present in the funnel is done, and this funnel from which the volatile oil is extracted, they are dried and again they are used for the adulteration and the substitution. So in such type of the funnel, the amount of the volatile oil which is present, it is less, and it can be distinguished by the fruits from which the volatile oil is removed by treating with the alcohol, contains less percentage of the volatile oil and have a typical odor of fusel oil. It has a odor like a fusel oil. Such fruits do not contain phenchone, and in these fruits the phenchone is totally absent. If the fruits are exhausted by application of the steam, they look dark greenish brown. If by means of the steam distillation the extraction of the volatile oil is done, then this funnel will appear greenish brown in color and contain only traces of volatile oil, and they will sink in water. Then the characteristic of different varieties of the funnel used as a substitute, the different variety are Saxony, another is the Russia or Romanian, next one is the French sweet or Roman, Indian variety and Japanese variety. So these contain the size and the shape also vary, the taste also vary, and the amount of the volatile oil which is present in them, they also vary. The Saxony variety contain maximum amount of the volatile oil as compared to the other varieties. So this is all about the fennel fruits. Synonym is fennel fruits. Fructus funiculum. Biological source consists of the dried ripe fruits of the plant Funiculum vulgare belonging to family Umbelliferae. Chemical constituents, it contains the volatile oil, and the chief chemical constituent of the volatile oil, they are the phenchone and anethole. Uses, it is used as an carminative, aromatic, stimulant, expectorant, and pharmaceutically it is used as an flavoring agent. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel, and also click on bell icon so that you can get the information of new videos uploaded. Thank you very much once again.